Tito Fufu and I are going on a hike. We don't know the name yeah, of this place, guys. So, yeah, nakita lang namin siya yesterday. And we thought of going here.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like
Hurt my shoe.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody.
This is one of the most beautiful forests I've walked in, Ophi. But look at this. Ophi wore white tennis shoes on the muddy trail. So she's trying to tiptoe through the forest.
Duh.
Let's go back.
Is it too muddy?
Yeah, it is.
Well, we're in tropical rainforest, so it's beautiful because it rains a lot, but it is muddy.
Hi guys! We're heading back. Medyo muddy kasi guys yung medyo muddy yung trail, pero maganda siya. It's very pretty there. It's just that, medyo hindi ako comfortable kasi madulas. I mean, it's not that slippery though, Han, right? It's not that slippery, kaya lang parang naiilang ako to walk sa mud kasi nga, 'di ba? White yung shoes ko. Kung bakit naman kasi hindi ko nadala yung aking hiking shoes. So meron akong rubber shoes pero white naman. Parang kawawa naman kasi my white shoes will be kawawa naman in the mud, puppy, no? Yeah. So guys, I will show you the road. It's very tropical, guys. You'll enjoy it. Ayan guys, look.
Look. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Wild. Hey, kawawa naman. Yeah. Look guys. Very tropical, no? Green. Calm. Bitin yung hiking ni Tito Fufu. He wants to go farther down. Ako lang yung medyo umatras. This is about 25 minutes from the house, no, Han? Tito Fufu said that this road they do like what's that, the biking tournament, bike rides
Straight up it.
straight up. Parang napaka steep nito, guys. Ang gaganda ng mga puno, guys. There's a lot of banana trees too. Look at those belladonnas along the road. I love those flowers. Is that the only color they have, honey? No
I
other
think they're
color?
white also.
Oh, white. I haven't seen a white one. Look at the view from here. There's the ocean. So where are we going next, Papa?
To the pier.
Okay.
You can walk to the farmer's market.
Okay.
And I'll go for a swim.
The farmer's market is closed.
Today's Tuesday.
Yeah.
You can still go to the farmer's market.
I can go to the church, maybe.
Yeah.
We're walking by the pier, guys. Dito lumalangoy si Tito Fufu every morning.
My heart 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까.
Guys, tingnan nyo, oh, may mga crabs. Can you see the crabs, guys? Minsan may mga urchins din dito. Fishes or turtles.
멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I can see you through a little photo.
Antay ko si Tito Fufu, guys. Nagbibihis lang siya. Yan. Nandito lang ako, nakaupo. Nagpapaaraw. Yeah. Yan. Mag-swim na si Tito Fufu, guys. Mag-swim yan siya mga hanggang 45 minutes, guys. While I go for a walk. Yan guys. Tito Fufu swims every day, every morning here. And in the afternoon, he goes surfing naman. So, yeah, that's one reason kung bakit very active and thankfully healthy si Tito Fufu. Because he makes sure that he do some workouts, exercise. Maglakad-lakad muna ako guys habang inaantay ko siya. So guys, habang si Tito Fufu nagsiswim, ako naman is naglalakad-lakad. Tapos dito ako sa baby beach na to. Nagsiswimming kapag gusto kong mag-swim. Kasi hindi siya maalon. Ayan naman guys, para siyang temple ng mga native Hawaiians. They still consider it sacred, no? A sacred place. And hindi siya pwedeng pasukan or puntahan. I think sometimes may mga offerings, hindi lang ako sure. Pero yeah, they still consider this place. It is parang tourist spot, tinitingnan siya ng mga tao. Pero hanggang from afar lang, hindi pwedeng pumasok doon sa loob. It is a very sacred place. As I told you in one of my vlogs, they respect here yung mga locals. They respect here mga sacred place, sacred lands like that. Yan. Dito guys may mga fish. Ayan oh. Can you see the fishes? Yan, very clear yung water. May mga yellow fish guys, oh. Ang ganda. Mababaw lang to guys. I'm walking guys. Naglalakad ako to the church. Since nandito naman na ako sa downtown. I'm thinking of buying something from the farmer's market. Then I realized na sarado pala ang farmer's market dahil Tuesday pa lang. So they'll be open tomorrow until Sunday. Okay guys, I'll show you the church later. Guys, this is Mokuwaikawa Church. Hindi ko alam i-pronounce guys. This is the first church in the islands. Building erected in 1836. Tapos ni-renovate nila guys. Ayan. Sarado lang kasi siya guys eh, kaya hindi ko siya mapakita sa loob. Yeah. Ito yung first church nila dito. Ayan. Then we'll go to the other church naman, Catholic Church. Alam nyo guys, nalulungkot ako kasi itong mga stores na to, last year, nung nandito kami, lahat yan open. Naglalakad-lakad lang ako dito everyday. Pero ngayon maraming close. Ayan o, close na yan. Touristy area to guys eh. So marami. Medyo mahal din yung mga paninda. Pero sad lang kasi because of the situation, because of the pandemic, maraming nag-close na mga stores dito. Yeah. Ayan guys. Ito ang Catholic Church dito sa Kona, St. Michael the Archangel. Open siya guys. So, yeah. Papasok tayo sa loob.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared.
Kagagaling ko lang sa loob ng church, guys. Grabe. Iba yung naramdaman kong feeling kasi guys, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapasok sa church. Yeah, so parang ibang-iba yung pakiramdam ko. Ang sarap talaga ng pakiramdam when you just sit there and just talk to God, no? Iba lang, guys. Yeah. Balik na ako sa pier kung nandun si Tito Fufu. Okay, guys. By the way, napansin ko na bukas ang farmers market. So, baka bumili ako ng gulay. Yung farmers market dito, guys, ang daming Pinoy. Yeah. So, mag-ikot-ikot lang muna ako sa farmers market.